You open the fridge and just stand there for a second. You know you bought groceries and you remember making a plan, but somehow nothing connects and your brain feels totally overloaded. It's that quiet moment where overwhelm sneaks in. It's 5:12 p.m., the kids are hungry and you're exhausted from deciding all day long. You've tried systems that work for other moms, but somehow never for you. And that feeling of being behind hits before dinner even starts. What if the problem isn't that you're lazy or disorganized? What if you were never taught a rhythm that actually fits mom life? Not a perfect system, but a steady flow that supports you instead of draining you. Hi, I'm Betty, and this is the Budget Betty Channel Smarter Money for Mom Life. Subscribe if you want fewer last-minute dinners and a meal prep flow you can actually stick to. Today, I'll show you a simple rhythm moms quietly rely on, so stay with me. Every unplanned meal costs more than money. It quietly drains your mental energy before the day even ends. That simple question, "What's for dinner?" loops in your head while you work, drive, and care for everyone else. By evening, your patience is already gone. Your phone is full of recipes, but none of them help when you're exhausted. You scroll, compare, and second-guess while the clock keeps ticking. Grocery trips without a rhythm turn into wasted food and repeat spending. The stress isn't loud, but it's constant. You're not bad at meal prep. You're overloaded with decisions no one taught you how to manage. Without structure, even great intentions collapse by midweek. The real cost isn't the food, it's the mental clutter stealing your calm. Most moms think consistency requires a perfect meal plan. But perfection is fragile. It breaks the moment life gets busy. What actually works is something simpler and stronger. A rhythm you can always come back to, even on hard weeks. Meal prep isn't about endless variety, it's about familiarity you can trust. When meals repeat, your brain stops negotiating every decision. Fewer choices mean less stress, less friction, and more follow-through. That's how consistency actually grows. This isn't boring, it's freeing. Predictability lowers stress, even when life gets loud. You stop relying on motivation and start relying on structure. And that's where calm, sustainable progress really begins. You don't need a perfect plan to start. You just need 3 dinners your family already says yes to. These aren't exciting meals, they're dependable ones. Think of them as anchors that keep your week from drifting into chaos. When you assign those meals to specific days, something powerful happens. The decision is already made before your energy runs out. Monday pasta, Wednesday chicken, Friday leftovers, simple and boring on purpose. That's how you protect your mental bandwidth. You don't need a massive prep day to win this. Prep just one small thing. Wash the veggies, cook the protein, portion the snacks. This isn't a marathon system, it's momentum. And the best part is, you can start today without changing your whole life. Imagine opening your fridge and already knowing the plan. No stress, no mental math, no last-minute panic. Dinner isn't a question anymore, it's decided. And that alone gives your brain room to breathe again. Dinner feels quieter now, emotionally and mentally. Grocery trips are shorter, cheaper, and calmer. You're no longer second-guessing every choice you make. Your energy finally stays with you instead of leaking out all day. Your evenings feel lighter, not perfect, just peaceful. You're not chasing motivation anymore. You're moving inside a rhythm that supports you. That's what a clear meal prep rhythm actually gives you. You don't need more effort, you need fewer decisions. A simple meal prep rhythm creates space in your budget, your time, and your mind. Calm doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing less on purpose. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for clarity-based growth. And share this with a mom friend who's tired of starting over every week. I'd love to hear from you. What part of dinner time feels hardest right now? This is the Budget Betty channel, Smarter Money for Mom Life. Remember, calm isn't found in doing more. It's found in doing less on purpose.